I feel good, but
yeah.
still.
Alright, so we're out here at the range, which is just this pit. And we got it all to ourselves. Got a couple targets out there. Got some soda bottles to the box. Some soda bottles out there. Got this here. These metal ones we're gonna ding up a little more. We're shooting a whole bunch of guns today. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Let's see. Got this, which is. Let's get some good lighting. Which is a Sidearms. It's a 45, I believe, double stack. Again, let's see, this one. This is a 9mm, right? Bob?
Yeah, a CZ.
CZ, okay.
And that's the 45.
Okay, that's a double stack, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then small, compact 1911. 45. Springfield Armory. Let me get a small concealed Ruger 9mm. LC9s. And then what we got over here? Stava Serbia, huh? 7.62. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun to shoot there. Old school pistol. That's nice. And then of course my guys. We got the little Glock 43, and the 17. Over here, this one's is it a Mauser, right?
Yugoslavian Mauser.
Yugoslavian Mauser. This is the 22.
That's an M1 carbine, World War II. 30 caliber.
Oh, 30 cal. Okay. And then the AR. What was the AR?
AR-10.
AR-10. Nice. We got a couple pistols on this table. It's like a smaller Ruger 380, I guess. Yep. A little 380 auto and another 380. What is this one? It's Thunder or something. Never heard of that one. Never heard of that brand, but and the little 22 Ruger. So the guys are lots of fun.
You want to try the 45?
Yeah.
Safety's on. When it drops down out of that little notch, it's fire.
Okay. Is it, oh, I was gonna say, is it both? Because it's nice to have both.
Pardon?
For left-handed people.
Oh, you're left-handed?
No, I'm just saying. It's like,
oh,
I thought I did for a second.
fire?
Maybe.
Huh.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Got quite a bit of a kick for.
For a little guy.
Yeah.
There's the double stack. It's ready to go.
Okay. Oh, it's got a real big kick. That was nice.
Yeah.
Eagle action, double action. Oh yeah. Not so good, but
Yeah,
still all right.
that wasn't hard. Dang.
Okay, Mama, come here. Good.
Oh, shit.
Dang. That's where you hit it. Right here. See, in the neck.